combo. Now this is just a beginner house dance routine, choreography. It's a little 4-count-of-8 set, but it's got a few foundations in there, a few variations, and a hype beat. So we will be hitting it to the music at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around for that. And as always, if you want to learn any other house dance or any other styles, I've got tutorials, links in the description for different routines, tutorials on moves, certain drills you can do, all sorts of stuff, yeah? Apart from that, let's get straight into this one. So, let's get straight into the set. We're going to start it with a hop, tap, down, yeah? So your timing for that is 5, 6, 7, 8. You jump it out. You're going to tap the insides of your feet together and down. You're going to be tapping this part of your foot on each foot, yeah? So, out, tap, down. Now, it's not about how high you jump this one. You're just going to bring your legs up nice and high and get a good tap, yeah? So you hop, tap, out. From here, you're hitting 2 toe taps. So you bring your left foot behind, hop, tap. And the other side, hop, tap. So we've gone out, tap, down, hop, tap, left foot behind, hop, tap, right foot behind, yeah? As always, I'll call out the opposites to what I'm doing, just so you can mirror me. Doesn't get too confusing then, yeah? One more, we'll keep going. So we go out, tap, out, hop, tap, hop, tap. From there, you jump it out, jump across, so left foot in front, jump out, jump across, right foot in front. And from there, straight into 2 up jacks. So you hop, so your feet are together. As you drop down, you come back and up. On the other side, drop down, back, up. Yeah, so I'll just show you the up jack to the side, down, back, up, down, back, up. Then you want to make it into 1 fluid jack. Yeah, it's all about your chest and house, all about that jack. So from the top, we go out, tap, out, up, tap, up, tap, out, cross, up jack. Nice. If there's any of these moves that you are struggling with, I have links, as I said, in the description, so you can run through these foundations. So I'll take it kind of quick. If there's a certain move that you're really struggling with, either wind it back or hop onto another video, yeah? Next, we're doing 2 side jacks. So the side jack is this one. So all you're doing with your feet is your weight is on your heels, your toes are coming out and in, your body is coming to the side, up. So at the same time as your legs, it comes side, up. So we add that on the end, and then up jacks. Yeah, so from the top, nice and slow, we go out, tap, out, up, tap, out, cross, up jack, side jack. Nice. From there, we're in heels. So we're doing 2 heels to this direction. So you're going heel, heel. Now it doesn't matter which heels you're hitting and which direction you're turning, so don't get too caught up in the details. As long as you're hitting heels to the side, you're good. So you go heel, heel. And you're doing 2 more heels to the back. Heel, heel. And you're going to turn to the other side. And you're going to go heel, heel, step. You're going to turn to the front and do heel, heel, step. Yeah, so do foundational heels this way and to the back, and do a heels variation that way and to the front. So again, just them heels. So we go heel, heel to the back, heel, heel to the side, heel, heel, step to the front, heel, heel, step. Yeah? So just from the up jacks. So from the up jack, we've gone 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, side jack, side, up, heels, heel, 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 step, heel, step, yeah? Nice, let's go from the top. We're going to finish this routine off, just a nice short little combo that you can smash out and learn, just to keep it going, yeah? So from the top, nice and slow, we go up, tap, up, tap, jump out, cross, up jack, side jack, and heel, step, heel, step. From there, you're hitting a pas de bourrée, kind of like a variation. So you're hitting a pas de bourrée, your left foot's coming behind, side, behind, front. My bad, so you go behind, side, front. From there, your outside leg, which could be or should be your right foot, is then stepping in front and behind. So that's the pas de bourrée variation. So you go behind, side, front, step in front, behind. Make sure you're bouncing, make sure your chest is moving the opposite way to them steps. So just one more that part of break. The left leg coming behind, behind, side, front, step, front, behind. Yes. Let's add that on with the music. Actually, no, let's go all of that. Let's clean it up. I'm going to add one last mover. A last little house go down, just as a little something extra on the end, yeah? So slow from the top. We go out, tap, out, up, tap, out, cross, up, jack, side jack, and heel, 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 step, step, heel, heel, step, step, behind, side, front, step in front, step back from here. You're going to step this outside foot, your right foot, slightly in front, bring it down to your knee. What you're going to do from here, right hand is going to come down. You're going to then swing your other foot, so my left foot is kicking round, and I'm dropping down to here, spin down. So if I show you the move quick, it looks like this. You've just done 1, 2, 3, step front, behind, you'll step, knee, spin down. Yeah? Slow that spin down. It's not as hard as it looks. Drop to your knee, and the same hand down. Now you want to come onto your side, onto your butt. Kick your heel of your other leg forwards. You should slightly turn towards the front, ending it there. Yeah? Nice. Okay. Let's go from the top. A little bit quicker. Pretty much music speed. And then we'll smash it out with a beat, yeah? So, from the top, I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, tap, out, cross, up jack, side jack, and heel, 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 step, step, heel, heel, step, step, behind, side, front, step in front, back, step to your knee, turn, down. The music is not a whole lot quicker than that, yes? It's pretty much at music speed. Now, if you're struggling with any of that massively, rewind it back, clean it up. If not, let's go with a beat. Okay, so we'll go with the music. We'll go 3 times quick with a beat, yeah? Move names will be up here. I'll count us in. Let's make it big. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. I was a beginner routine, but there was some technical steps in that. Now, if you want to learn more house dance routines, the link's in the description, jump on them. If you want to learn more foundations in house dance, again, I've got all kinds of playlists, all kinds of videos for that. Apart from that, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to keep up to date with the tutorials and with anything that I did not do that you do want to see. Leave a comment down below, I will get straight to it. Apart from that, well done, and I'll see you in the next one.